Let us observe some of the chemical changes. We can burn a magnesium ribbon in the laboratory and observe what happens when it is burnt. You can see that it emits a very bright white light, and by the end of burning it produces ash, and this is a chemical reaction because a new material is formed. What is that new material? Magnesium reacts with oxygen in the air to produce magnesium oxide. Now look at the ash which is produced in this reaction. This reaction can be written in the chemical form as Mg plus O2 forms MgO. What kind of chemical change is this? Is this a physical or chemical change? Well, we start with two substances and end up with completely different substance, and so this is a chemical change. Take some copper sulfate and add some water to it to make it a solution. It's blue in color. Add some drops of dilute sulfuric acid to it. Take some of this and keep it in a beaker. Drop some iron article like a shaving blade in the solution and wait. In half an hour, the solution changes color. The blue solution turns green. Is this a magic? It's science. There is a reaction between copper sulfate and iron. Compare this solution to the one you have kept aside. It looks different. That's because the green substance formed is iron sulfate. So, a new substance is formed. Check the blade too. You would find a brown deposit on the blade. That's copper. So, a chemical change happened. We can write the reaction as Fe plus U SO4 gives rise to FeSO4 plus Cu. Let's make some more chemical change happen. Take vinegar in a test tube. Add some baking soda to it. You hear a hissing sound and see bubbles formed. Pass this gas through lime water. Lime water turns milky. What does that tell you? It means the gas is carbon dioxide. So the bubbles were of carbon dioxide gas. All these are chemical reactions. Chemical reactions keep happening around us, and they are very important too. All the things that we use, the medicines, the plastics, the metals, the food are all a result of various chemical reactions in our day-to-day life. We perform a series of chemical reactions to extract metals from their ores. We make shampoos, toothpaste, soft drinks, and pretty much anything and everything with chemical reactions. In a chemical reaction, you see new substances are formed because of the reaction. During the reaction, you could see more change happening, like heat being given out or absorbed, sound or gas being produced, or even a change of color is observed in a chemical reaction.